Hi guys and welcome on Blue Hammock. Today we are going to review string, which is a Python built-in for text sequence. It's an immutable sequence, so the single elements of the string cannot be changed after the definition. So how can we define a string? A simple method is to do like this. We can also use single quotes. We can also use triple quotes, and this is usually done for documenting functions. And this can span multiple lines. Then we have the string constructor, which can be applied also to other objects. So for example, if we apply it to a list, we will see that we receive a string representation of the list. This is possible because many objects implement the str internal method. So this is the case with the list. So if we look inside, there is the str internal method which gets called when we apply str to the object. So like I said, the string is immutable, so we cannot change its values after the definition. You see, it throws a type error because string object does not support item assignment. The string implements many useful methods to deal with them, like we can do the uppercase, we can do the lowercase, we can do the swap case. In this case it's the same, but if we don't know the starting case, it will go from lower to upper and from upper to lower. We use very often the format method on strings. So if we have, let's say, a variable with a result, we say this is our result, and we use the curly braces, and then we apply format, and we pass the variable. It will print the entire string with the string representation of the result. Then we have the split method, which can be useful in data processing. If we have something like this and we say split on a separator, so a comma, it will return a list with one element for each split. Then we have the join method. So if we have an iterable of strings, like say foo bar, we can join we apply the join, and the first string that I put here is the separator. So in this case there is no separator, but we can put whatever we want. So we can put a dash, and it will go like this. Another useful method when doing text processing is also the strip method. So let's say that we have some not very clean data. If we apply strip, it will strip the white space on the left and on the right of the word. There is also a left strip and right strip. The white space inside will remain. So this is useful if we have many words that maybe some of them have been inserted with some white space at the end, and we don't know, but we want to compare them all. We can apply strip on all of them, and we know that the white space will not be a problem. So there is also the replace method. So I can replace like a substring with another. Also this one is very useful in text processing. We can use the find method to find the index where some specific substring is present. So in this case it returns 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3 starts with bar. We have the title method. If we apply title, it will capitalize the beginning of each word. So this is it for strings, which are an immutable sequence type built in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video introduction on strings, and I hope to see you here next time. Thank you.